So in the rest of the video, we were looking at how to update packages you have installed or the operating system in general. So in this video, we're going to look at how to fix missing packages. So it's very simple. So what you're going to do is just apt install and then use a tag F to do what? Just to fix any missing packages. Now, what happens if the installation was not successful in that some of the packages got broken? So as you can see, we have a suggestion on how to do that. So you do Debian, called Debian package manager, configure tag A, configure all. So and as you can see, I had some missing. So some were broken. So to fix missing, you just do a tag F, and as you can see, the package Discord needs to be reinstalled and so on. So if it cannot fix the missing packages, it's just going to tell you what needs to be done. So as you can see, I have a suggestion. So the package Discord needs, so Discord has some of the missing packages, and if I try to fix that, I got this suggestion. Now the first thing we're going to do is, how do you upgrade the operating system? It's just simple. You do apt dist and then upgrade. Simple as that. The package Discord, so it's giving errors. So if a package keeps on disturbing, provoking your peace, what do you do? Just remove it. Simple as apt remove Discord. Simple as that. So the package will just be removed. Now the package Discord needs to be reinstalled, but I can't find it carefully. Now yours have to work, so just by removing any package that you want to be removed. So I don't know why Discord can't be removed, but we're going to reinstall that in a few seconds. Now next thing we're supposed to do is installing custom packages from other sources, maybe GitHub and so on. Now you can, the first thing we're going to do is search what would make us install a custom package from other sources if it's not supported or is not present in the repositories. How do you know if a package is present in the repositories? So just search it, do apt search, maybe Discord. Well, let's see if Discord is already there. Let's see. As you can see, we have Discord. So how do you install that? It's apt install Discord. It's a package that I don't know why, but let's go to try another way to install that. Now let us assume we have a package called BruteX. Let's confirm if we have it in the repositories. Apt search BruteX, is it there? Okay, it's not there. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the package in GitHub. Well, let me launch my browser very fast. To BruteX GitHub. I prefer the first one. Give it a minute. Here it is, BruteX, micro install and so on. So what is it? BruteX is it's a brute forcing up. So this is how we install it. So do that, copy this, go back to your terminal, and let's exit the root environment. So there's a reason I had created a folder called security, if I'm not wrong, sec, yeah. So I had some of the packages here. I had Frugion and Ghidra. Now what we're going to do is we're going to clone the repository, the Brutex repository. So that should be, see, there it is. So you see the Brutex. So how do we run it? It's run using Python. Let's see if they upgraded to Python 3. Python Brutex. Okay, let's use Brutex directory. Brutex. Well, now as you can see, it's running. But if I want to run the same software again, I'll have to cd into this directory. So how do we do this? Insert that. If I open a new terminal here and type Brutex, it should run. Now in the Linux file system, we said there is a folder called bin, so that's why we are going to press what you call Brutex. How are you going to do that? So I'm going to create a file. So let us call it brute, and what we're going to do is we're going to cd into that directory. So let us first do that, cd sec and cd brute. So you're going to do print working directory. So you're going to tell, so since we're creating an executable here, I'm going to tell the operating system, if in case we launch this executable, do what? Change the directory to that, and then do what? Launch what you call brute. Let's find out the name, Brutex, and launch that. Escape, right, quit, and so on. Let's change the permissions of that. Bash. So we're going to do make it executable as brute. Let's see if that will work. Execute brute here. So as you can see, it's working. So what we're going to do is move this file into bin. What are we going to do that? So we're going to move brute to user bin. So this contains the bin. Let's see, is the file gone? Yeah, it's gone. So and that means if I launch new instance of my terminal here, you should be able to run that brute, and as you can see, it's working. So basically that is how you install custom packages in your Kali Linux operating system. See you in the next video. Goodbye.